Think looking wealthy equals financial freedom? Think again. Real wealth isn't about the luxury items you own. It's about making smart financial choices that build long-term security. Let's explore why choosing a modest, poor appearance can actually be one of the smartest decisions you make on the path to wealth. If you're intrigued by a new way to think about money, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights. 1. Freedom of choice over materialism. When people chase appearances and luxury, they often end up spending beyond their means, resulting in debt that limits their financial freedom. But by choosing to look poor, you avoid these traps, allowing yourself the freedom to spend based on what truly matters to you, rather than on maintaining a costly image. When you stop chasing the look of wealth, you gain the freedom to make choices that align with your own goals, rather than spending on trends or high-status purchases. This freedom of choice extends to everything, from the food you eat to the job opportunities you accept. Financial independence grants you flexibility, giving you a say in what you want for yourself. It's about being able to take risks, try new ventures, or invest in learning, all of which may be limited by a debt-fueled lifestyle. Building wealth through freedom of choice is liberating, as you're able to build a life that's true to you. 2. Embracing simplicity and staying out of survival mode. Living simply allows you to avoid the trap of paycheck-to-paycheck living, or what many refer to as survival mode. By reducing unnecessary expenses and avoiding the drive for luxury, you can focus your energy on building financial security, rather than just getting by. Embracing simplicity frees you from high-stress financial obligations, enabling you to create a healthy emergency fund, pay down debts, and work toward financial goals without feeling like you're constantly struggling. For example, keeping a simple budget and focusing on essentials can keep your spending in check. When you're not stressed about making ends meet, you can start planning ahead for investments, savings, and wealth-building opportunities. It's about creating a mindset of abundance from within, focusing on essentials, and building a safety net rather than spending on momentary pleasures. 3. The power of authentic living. Living authentically, without succumbing to the pressure to appear wealthy, leads to a happier, more fulfilled life. The reality is that financial peace comes from aligning your spending with your values, rather than with societal expectations. When you're not worried about buying the latest car, designer outfit, or tech gadget, you're free to make choices based on what genuinely matters to you. Authenticity in spending creates confidence, allowing you to live a life free from the stress of comparison. Many people feel a sense of freedom when they choose to live below their means, focusing on their unique path rather than on society's standards. For instance, instead of dining out every week, you could choose to save and invest that money in experiences that matter to you. Authentic living brings a peace that materialism rarely provides, empowering you to pursue goals that add real value to your life. 4. Focusing on true wealth-building activities. Looking rich doesn't equate to actually being rich. Financial independence comes from building assets that grow over time, not from spending money on fleeting status symbols. When you stop worrying about appearances, you have the time, energy, and resources to focus on wealth-building activities that bring lasting results. True wealth building comes from investing in assets like real estate, the stock market, a side business, or even freelance work that generates passive income over time. Take freelancing, for example. Rather than using extra money on costly luxury items, you could invest it in a freelancing skill or side hustle that generates income on the side. Similarly, if you have the means to invest, building a portfolio with diversified stocks or real estate can bring exponential returns. This approach builds actual wealth, while material items do not. Real wealth grows when money is directed toward appreciating assets that will benefit your future. 5. Living below your means to build a financial cushion. The concept of paying yourself first may sound simple, but it's an incredibly powerful strategy that supports long-term wealth creation. By living below your means and choosing not to buy into the look of wealth, you can save a significant amount of money over time. This extra money can be funneled into a financial cushion, like an emergency fund, investments, or high-yield savings accounts. This financial cushion doesn't just provide peace of mind, it allows you to invest in opportunities that come your way without hesitation. Imagine being able to invest in a promising stock, buy a piece of real estate, or take a course that will increase your earning potential without the need to take on debt. Living below your means allows you to seize opportunities as they arise, giving you the financial flexibility to make smart, calculated moves toward building wealth. In essence, choosing to look poor by living modestly has incredible advantages. It preserves your freedom of choice, keeps you out of survival mode, and encourages authentic living. Most importantly, it helps you focus on true wealth-building activities and live below your means, creating a foundation for financial security that appearances simply can't buy. If this way of thinking about wealth resonates with you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on building true financial independence.